Good morning, kids. Today we have learned how to subtract. So I am making this video so that you are clear with the concepts. Alright? You remember the two lines which I have made you learn. On the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So children, whenever you get a question, to see whether the number is more on the top or on the floor. Alright? So let's take one example. In this example, children, 6,323 minus 1,281. Here, first step, children, is to check whether the number on the top is more or the number on the floor is more. Alright? Just check here. 3 and 1. When it is more on the top, no need to stop. So you have to do the simple subtraction which you do already, which you know already. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, 2 minus 8. Now it is more on the floor, children. It is more on the floor. So what you have to do now? You have to go next door and borrow 10 from there. Borrow 10. So that means this will be 2. And 10 when you get here, 10 plus 2 is 12. Alright. So now count from 8 to 12. Now check first. It is more on the top. So now no need to stop and you can simply subtract. Count from 8 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 4. Now 2 minus 2, children. 0. When the numbers are same, zeros is the game. 2 minus 2 is 0. When the number is subtracted from itself, the answer is 0. 6 minus 1, children. 6 minus 1, the predecessor property. Minus 1, when you subtract 1, you get the predecessor. So the answer is 5,042. Let's move to another question. Now check the numbers here, children. On the top it's 7 and on the floor it's 0. So more on the top, no need to stop. So 7 minus 0, the 0 property, 7. Now check here. 5 is on the top and 8 is on the floor. That means more on the floor, go next door. So what you will do? You will borrow 10. So 6 will be 5 and 10 will come here. 10 plus 5 will be 15. Now count from 8 to 15. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means 7. For subtracting, children, you need to count from the smaller number to the bigger number. Now next one. 5 minus 3. So more on the top, no need to stop. Count from 3 to 5. 4, 5. 2. Next is 3 minus 2. These are the neighbor numbers which come together. So 3 minus 2, more on the top, no need to stop. 3 minus 2 is 1. Alright, so the answer is 1,277. I hope you are understanding this concept, children. Now let's take another one. 3,206 minus 1,386. So let's start with the ones digit. 6 minus 6. Numbers the same, 0 is the game. So the answer here is 0. Okay. 0 minus 8. So you can't subtract, children. You can't subtract a bigger number. Alright. So a bigger number from a smaller number. So what you will do, as it is, when you see the poem also, it says more on the floor, go next door. So you are going to borrow from here. 2 will become 1 and 0. 10 will be added to 0 and it will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. Count from 8 to 10, 9, 10. So 2. Now again, 1 minus 3. Again, more on the floor, children. Borrow. So this will be 2. And this will become 11 when you add 10. 10 and 1 makes 11. So 11 minus 3. So start counting from 3 to 11. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it says 8. Alright. Now more on the top, no need to stop. 2 and 1, more on the top, no need to stop. 2 minus 1. These are the numbers which come together. I call them neighbor numbers. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer here is 1820. Let's move to another question, children. Now here the question is 7700 minus 3425. Alright. Okay, so let's start from the one side. 0 minus 5, children. So 0 is smaller than 5. You can't subtract 5 from 0. Alright, so you have to borrow. But see, the borrowing neighbor is also having 0, children. So what we are going to do? We are going to the next neighbor. From here, we are going to borrow. This will become 6 and this will become 10. But we want the number here, children. So again, we will go to our neighbor. 10 will become 9. This number, we will borrow 10 from here. So this will become 10 plus 10. Now, 5. This can be done. More on the top, no need to stop. So count from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 5. Children, keep doing with me. As I am, you don't have to just listen. You have to calculating with me. Then only you will be able to understand perfectly. Okay. Now next move to tens place. 9 minus 2. So more on the top, no need to stop. 9 minus 2 gives you, count from 2 to 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 7. Here, 6 minus 4. Again, more on the top, no need to stop. Count from 4 to 6, 5, 6, 2. We get the answer. And 7 minus 3. Again, more on the top, no need to stop. So count from 3 to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 4. Okay. So the answer which you get at the end is 4275. I hope you have understood, children. Thank you.